पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाख्या बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 394। भाष्य फर्स्ट लाइन। मरण दुख वच्च निमित्ता भावात। That is 9, huh? Don't read it as 6. It is 394. Marana dukkha vaccha. So yesterday we saw this upasaka who has done samprati karma, krita sampratikaha. This upasaka, his vak has the siddhi of whatever he says for himself or anybody else, it will happen. At manaha level, what is the siddhi?
Ananti na shochati.
Na shochati. And at prana level,
Na rishyati.
na rishyati, na vinashyati. But another thing was given, that even if somebody has akrosha, right? See where it was given? On 93 page. Asya tu sarvatmano ya akrishyate, in bhashya, last line. Ya akrishyate yascha akroshati tayoho atmatva buddhi vishesha bhavat na tannimittam dukkham upapadyate. The one who is sarva praninam atma, he will not have any dukkham. So when he identifies with all, then it is not that he will get everyone's joy and everyone's sorrow. He will get only everybody's joy, but he will not get everybody's sorrow. Why? Aparichinna buddhitvat. That was the hetu given. So he does not have parichin. In other words, wherever there is aparichinnatvam, there will not be dukkham. Swasya or anyasya, anybody. Or where there is parichinnatvam, there will be dukkham. Dukkha nimitta is this. In parichinna aham buddhi. So this upasana phalam we saw. In that context, this first line is there. Marana dukkha vaccha nimitta bhavat. Marana dukkha is also another dukkha. For that, nimitta is not there. So, for example, if the worms are there in the stomach and they die, do we get dukhi? No. It's that jathara kuhara viparivarti krimi dosha. So by that we are asamsprishta, unattached. Tika. नोपपद्यते विदुषो दुःखम इति पूर्वेण संबंधः. In the same way, vidusho dukham na upappadyate. Now Bhashyakar explains that line. Yatha hi kasmischin mrite kasyachit dukham utpadyate mama asau putro bhrata cha iti putradi nimittam. Tan nimitta bhave tan maran darshinopi naiva dukham upajayate. Just as this is drishtanta. Yatha hi kasmischin mrite, when somebody dies, kasyachit dukham utpadyate, somebody else will have sorrow. In which way? Mama asau putra, mama asau bhrata, ityadi. Like we see at Gangaji, somebody almost every day, 2, 3, 4 in the evening. So many families are there, family members, somebody is crying, somebody is sad, you see their faces. So tan nimitta dukkha is there. Other who are walking by, they are in their discussion, and that Golgappa wala is there. So people go on, those who have no connection, they will be eating, enjoying everything, there we go. So, nimitta bhave tan marana darshino api, even if they see that some marana is there, naiva dukkham upajayate. Because in that parichinna vastu, aham buddhi is not there. But such people, they might have aham buddhi in some other parichinna. So one thing they may not have, but elsewhere they have. Only the upasaka who has no parichinna buddhi, that aparichinna bhava who has, that person will have no dukkha nimittam, therefore will not have dukkha. Tika. Drishtantam vivrunoti. Yatha. This is drishtanta part. Maitrasya. Now somebody is objecting this idea. Maitrasya swahastadi abhimanavataha tad dukkhadi yogavat vidushaha sutratmanaha swamsha bhuta sarva bhutabhimaninas tad dukkhadi samsargaha syat iti ashankya darshtantikam aha. Swamsha bhuta is samasta pada. So if there is no line after swamsha, the dash to connect the word, then you should connect. Swamsha bhuta. And samsarga, not samargaha. Two anuswaras are there. The second anuswara on that sa, second sa is not needed. That you remove. Maitrasya swahastadi abhimanavataha. Maitra has abhimana in his hasta, pada, ityadi. Abhimanavataha tad dukkhadi yogavat vidushaha sutratmanaha. So when hasta has dukkha, Maitra will feel I have dukkha. Dukkhadi yoga is there for Maitra. Dukkhadi yogavat vidushaha sutratmanaha. Now who is a vidusha? Sutratma. Means Hiranyagarbha sutram atma yasya. In this way, the one who has upasana buddhi. Swamsha bhuta sarva bhuta abhimaninaha. Swa amsha bhuta sarva bhuta abhimana. Everything is my amsha. In this way, the one who thinks. Swansha bhuta sarva bhuta abhimaninaha. Tad dukkhadi sansarga syat. He should have dukkhadi sansarga. Purvapakshi is asking. Why it will not happen? Iti ashankya. In other words, if in one hand I have abhimana, this is mine, in that if something happens, I have dukkham. Then if I have the abhimana, I am the self of all. Sarva bhuta abhimana if I have. I should have the sorrow. इति आशंक्य दाष्टान्तिकम् आह तथेश्वरस्य अपि अपरिच्छिन्नात्मनो मम तवतादि दुःख निमित्त मिथ्या ज्ञानादि दोषा भावान् नैव दुःखम उपजायते तथा ईश्वरस्य अपरिच्छिन्न स्वरूपस्य ईश्वरीभूतस्य विदुषः. Means we are not talking about Ishvara here. We are referring to Upasaka who has this bhava अपरिच्छिन्नत्व बुद्धि. तथा ईश्वरस्य अपि अपरिच्छिन्नात्मनो मम तवतादि ममता तवता. What is the sutra for this ta? ममता और ममत्वम. Anybody online?
Away Tvam Tatlau. Is it? Away Tvam Tatlau?
No. Tasya bhavas tvatalau. I don't know which sutra you are. Tasya bhavas tvatalau. This is bhava. Tva and ta. Ta will become with ta pratyaya tavata. And so ta, mamata in this way. Mama tavatadi dukkha nimitta mithya jnanadi. Mamata tavata adi, for them, the dukkha nimitta is mithya jnana. Mamata tavata are dukkha nimitta. That for them the nimitta is mithya jnana. Means when I have mithya jnanam, erroneous knowledge, then there will be mamatva, etc. buddhi. Because of that buddhi, then there will be dukkham. For such upasaka, this buddhi is not there. Mithya jnanadi dosha abhavat. Naiva dukkham upajayate. That person will not have dukkham. In other words, let's say I do upasana. What is the test for me if my upasana is working or not? Working or not means, am I doing real upasana? It is not happening. This is the test. If parichinna bhava is a lot, dukkham upajayate. Parichinna bhava, if it is not there, dukkham na upajayate. Tika. Mama tavatadi ityadi padena ahanta grahanam. Mamata, tavata, ahanta. Ahanta, mamata we have seen. They keep coming in Shastra. Tavata shabda is similar. Adipadena ahanta grahanam. Tadeva dukkha nimittam mithya jnanam. You see, this itself is dukkha nimittam. Mamata ahanta itself is dukkha nimittam. This is mithya jnanam means bhranti. Here mithya jnanam, mithya cha tad ajnanam cha iti mithya jnanam. Adhyasa. Adi shabdena ragadi ruktaha and ragadi also. So mamata, tavata, ahanta, raga, dvesha, they will give you dukkham. Raga can give dukkham, dvesha also can give dukkham. Let's say I have dvesha towards somebody and that person's samriddhi is there. That person is growing. Then I will be unhappy. Nothing has, I have really no involvement there. Only that is what is happening is that person's unnati and my dvesha. So, no real nimitta is needed. We can superimpose something and we can start. Ukte arthe shrutim avatarya Yachaste. So in this artha, Shruti is also given. Tadetad uchyate. So in the previous line, Ishwarasya dukkham naiva upajayate. This is the main thing. Upasakasya dukkham naiva upajayate. Here upasaka shabda is there, you can convert it as a bhakta. If we don't understand upasana, we say I am bhakta, I am doing bhakti sadhana. The bhakta should not have dukkha. It is there, what is there? तदेतद उच्यते यदु किंच यत् किंच इमाः प्रजाः शोचन्ति अमैव सहैव प्रजाभिस्तच्छोकादिनिमित्तं दुःखं संयुक्तं भवत्यासां प्रजानां परिच्छिन्न बुद्धि जनितत्वात् तदेतद उच्यते. So the Shruti Uddharanam is given. Yadu kincha yat kincha imaha prajaha shochanti. Whatever that this praja they grieve, shochanti. Amaiva. Ama is avyaya shabda. This is something that you may not have come across. Ama shabda is avyaya. Ama means saha, along with. So amaiva means sahaiva. Further, प्रजाभिस तत्शोकादि निमित्तम दुखम. थ्रू प्रजा तत्शोकादि निमित्तम दुखम संयुक्तम भवति. वाय आसाम प्रजानाम परिच्छिन्न बुद्धि जनितत्वात्. When people grieve, imaha prajaha shochanti, then amaiva sahaiva prajabhihi, this nimittam tan nimittam shokam. Why it is there? Because the praja's dukkham is परिच्छिन्न बुद्धि जनितम. परिच्छिन्न बुद्धि जनितत्वात्. सर्वात्मनस्तु केन सह किम संयुक्तम भवेत् वियुक्तम वा. The one who has sarvatma bhava, then with whom he will be associated, with whom he will not be associated. Kena sah kim sanyuktam bhavet, kena sah kim viyuktam va. This is the prashna. अमुम तु प्राजापत्ये पदे वर्तमानम पुण्यमेव शुभमेव फलम अभिप्रेतम पुण्यमिति. अमुम तु प्राजापत्य पदे वर्तमानम. Prajapatya pada means the one who is doing upasana of Prajapati, Vartamanam, then this person will get punyameva, only shubha karma phalam. In Amum, what is the Mukhya Sutra? Adasoser Dadudomaha. Adasoser Dadudomaha. Amum. अमुम तु प्राजापत्य पदे वर्तमानम पुण्यमेव, वाय सीटी का शुभमेव गच्छति इति संबंधः, ओनली शुभ फलम विल गो टू उपासक, न तो अशुभम। फल रूपेण वर्तमानस्य कथम कर्म संबंधः स्यात्? फल रूपेण वर्तमानस्य, that which is expressing as फल रूपम, कथम कर्म संबंधः स्यात् इति आशंक्याः। फलम फलम अभिप्रेतम, शुभम एव फलम अभिप्रेतम, पुण्यम। उक्तमेव व्यनक्ति, whatever is said further it is elaborated. निरतिशयं हि तेन पुण्यं कृतं तेन तत्फलम एव गच्छति, न ह वै देवान् पापं गच्छति, पापफलस्य अवसराभावात् पापफलं दुःखं न गच्छति इत्यर्थः। निरतिशयं हि तेन पुण्यकृतं, तेन उपासकेन, he has done so much punya, thereafter papa phalam will not go to him. Tena punya kritam, tena means second tena is tasmat, first tena is upasakena punyam kritam tasmat tat phalam eva gacchati, na ha vai devan papam gacchati. Devata, he is devata sadrisha, he will not get. Papa means papa phalam, papam he will not get, so he will not be dukhi. This we have to keep observing in our mind. What is the nimitta for which I get dukhi or sukhi, and then why, how long, etc. Papa phalasya, so for a upasaka, papa phalasya avasara abhavat, he will not get papa phala itself. There is no avasara, there is no scope. Papa phalam dukkham na gacchati ityarthah. In this way, 20th mantra is over. Second number tippani, avasar abhavat, aham mamadi abhiman abhavat iti yavat. In other words, when I do Ishwar upasana, aham mama abhimana should go. Sharanagati is this only that we have to be ready to accept. अथ इत्यादि वाक्यस्य वक्तव्य शेषाभावात् अनर्थक्यम आशंक्य व्यवहितोपासनानुवादेन तद अंग व्रत विधानार्थम उत्तरम वाक्यम इति अनर्थक्यम परिहरति। अथ इत्यादि वाक्यस्य वक्तव्य शेष अभावात्, so now somebody says why next mantra is needed, everything is said. You talked about sapta anna, then 3 vishesha anna, out of that vang mana prana, this upasana, samprati karma, putrena ayam lokah, everything you said. Now, ityadi vakyasya vaktavya shesha abhava, there is nothing that is remaining to be taught. Therefore, anarthakyam, anarthakya अन्वय you have to do with अथ इत्यादि वाक्यस्य, अथ इत्यादि वाक्यस्य अनर्थक्यम वक्तव्य शेषाभावात्, इति आशंक्य व्यवहितोपासनानुवादेन तद अंग व्रत विधानार्थम उत्तरम वाक्यम इति अनर्थक्यम परिहरति। व्यवहित उपासना अनुवादेन, so now upasana which was discussed earlier, अनुवादेन तद अंग व्रत विधानार्थम, some vrata, some anushtanam is being mentioned, which is upasana angam. Tad anga vrata vidhanartham uttaram vakyam iti anarthakyam pariharati. Therefore, there is no anarthakyam. In Bhashya, त एते सर्व एव समाहा सर्वे अनंता इत्यविशेषेण वांग मन प्राणानाम उपासनम उक्तम नान्यतमगतो विशेष उक्तः। ते एते सर्वे एव समाहा, दे ऑल आर, ते सर्वे एव समाहा, दे ऑल आर सम, सर्वे अनंताः, वांग मन प्राण, ऑल ऑफ देम आर समाहा, ऑल आर सेम, सर्वे अनंताः, ऑल आर इन्फिनिट। इति अविशेषेण वांग मन प्राणानाम उपासनम उक्तम। अविशेषेण मीन्स without distinguishing one from the other, their upasana is mentioned. Nanyatama gato vishesha uktaha. Anyatama means in any one of them, out of so many, na vishesha ukta. Now there was nothing vishesha in them. Vishesha na ukta. किम एवमेव प्रतिपत्तव्यम किम वा विचार्यमाणे कश्चित् विशेषो व्रतम उपासनम प्रति प्रतिपत्तुम शक्यत इति उच्यते। So question is, kim evam eva pratipattavyam? Should we understand just like that only? How you said that there is no vishesha between vang mana prana upasanam, evam eva pratipattavyam, one vikalpa. Kim va vicharyamane kasid vishesho? There is any vishesha in them. Vratam upasanam prati pratipattum shakyate iti uchyate. Is it possible that there is something vishesha and that we have to know? इति उच्यते। टीका, व्रतम इति अवश्य अनुष्ठेयम कर्म उच्यते। Did we see व्रतम शब्द? हाँ, व्रतम उपासनम is given. So व्रतम इति अवश्य अनुष्ठेयम कर्म. What is vrata? See, karma and vrata, bheda is clear. If it is vratam means avashya anushteyam. Otherwise it is general karma. You do, don't do is different. When you take vrata means it is different. Jignasayaha sattvam. Now let us see the mantra. अथातो व्रतमीमांसा प्रजापतिर्ह कर्माणि ससृजे तानि सृष्टान्यन्योन्येन अस्पर्धन्त वदिष्याम्येव अहमिति वाक् दद्रे द्रक्ष्याम्यहमिति चक्षुः श्रोष्याम्यहमिति श्रोत्रमेवम् अन्यानि कर्माणि यथा कर्म तानि मृत्युः श्रमो भूत्वोपयेमे तान्याप्नोत्तान्याप्त्वा मृत्युरवारुन्ध तस्मात् श्राम्यत्येव वाक् श्राम्यति चक्षुः श्राम्यति श्रोत्रम् अथ अथेममेव नाप्नोत्योऽयं मध्यमः प्राणस्तानि ज्ञातुं दद्रिरे। अयं वै नः श्रेष्ठो यः संचरन्स् चासंचरन्श्च न व्यथते अथो न ऋष्यति अन्तास्यैव सर्वे रूपम् असामेति त एतस्यैव सर्वे रूपम् अभवन्स् तस्मादेत एतेन आख्यायन्ते प्राण इति तेन हवाव तत् कुलमाचक्षते यस्मिन् कुले भवति य एवं वेद य उ हैवं विदा स्पर्धते अनुशुष्यति अनुशुष्यत ह एव अंततो म्रियत इत्यध्यात्मम्। अथा तो व्रत मीमांसा मीमांसा that anuswara is needed, huh? On that mimagamsa is there you have to put one anuswara. Mimamsa, what is the dhatu?
Mang.
Mang what? Mang mane.
Vicha.
Mang mane. Then how it became dirgha? What is the sutra? Man badadan shanbhyo dirghascha abhyasasya. This is sutra. Man badadan shanbhyo dirghascha abhyasasya. What is the meaning of the word mimamsa? Pujita vichara. Pujita vichara means when you think about it, you are not thinking with only objections in mind. You are thinking to enlighten yourself. So you have lot of respect in those vakyas. That is called Pujita vichara. That is Mimamsa. Athato vrata Mimamsa. So Acharya will explain what is Atha, what is Ata, etc. Prajapatirha karmani sasrije. Prajapati, he created karma. Karma means karma is upalakshana for Vagadi Indriya. Karana. Through Karana, karma can happen. So karmani sasrije. Tani srishtani anyonyena aspardhanta. They started doing spardha, competition with each other. Indriyas. What Vak said, Vadishyami eva aham iti Vak dadre. Vak Indriya said, I will go on talking. I will not stop only. Drakshyami aham iti chakshuhu. Dadre. Dadre will go with all. Dadre, what is the dhatu? Tridharane. Dadre, dadrate, dadrire. Lit. This is prasiddha. But later, dadrire is given. Okay. Dadre. Chakshu said, I will go on seeing. Drakshyami aham iti dadre. Shrotra Indriya said, I will go on listening, go on listening. Iti. Evam anyani karmani. Anyani karmani means anyani karanani. Yatha karma. Yatha karma. Yatha karma, samasa vigraha will be karma anatikramya. This is yatha karma. Each indriya has their own karma. Without transgressing that, they say, I will go on doing what I am doing, means nobody can stop me and I will be eternal in this way. Then came mrityu. Tani mrityuhu श्रमो भूत्वा अपेय इमे तानि आपनोत तानि आप्त्वा मृत्यु अवारुंध. So what mrityu did, it went and pervaded them. So when they got associated with mrityu, then mrityu stopped them. So that is mrityu avarundha. How? Ime tani आपनोत तानि आप्त्वा मृत्यु अवारुंध. So mrityu having pervaded, blocked them. Avaruddha. Tasmad shramyatyeva vak. Shramyati chakshuhu, shramyati shrotram. Therefore, these vak, chakshu, shrotra indriyas, they became tired. And we know eyes get tired. Vag indriya gets tired even earlier. They go on talking and you are over. Similarly, shrotra indriya. अथ इमम एव न आपनोत योयम मध्यमः प्राणः. But this madhyama prana, it doesn't get tired. It goes on working at night also, day also, night also. Madhyama prana, why it is madhyama? Because in Bhashya there should be some explanation. Indriyas are called prana, gauna artha. Then mukhya prana is called prana. And Hiranyagarbha is also called prana. So now you have indriyas, which are lower prana. Then madhyama prana is actual prana. And then uttama prana is prana which is samashti. So here madhyama prana, yoya madhyama prana, that prana did not get exhausted. Tani jnatum dadrire, tani jnatum karanani, indriyani dadrire. So all indriyas, they understood that, oh, there is someone who is not exhausted like us. So we have to know that. And they became one with that prana. Ayam vai naha shrestha yaha sancharanscha asancharanscha na vyathate atho na rishyati. Among us, this is shrestha. Ayam vai naha shrestha. Why yaha sancharan asancharan, while moving, not moving, na vyathate, it is not disturbed. How I am so disturbed or we are so exhausted? Atho na rishyati, na nashyati. Hanta asyaiva sarve rupam asama. Sarve, vayam sarve, let us all become of this rupa, prana rupa. Asama, asama. असभुवि धातु लोट लकार उत्तम पुरुष बहुवचन परस्मै पद सर्वे रूपम असाम इति त एतस्यैव सर्वे रूपम अभवन्स तस्माद् एत एतेन आख्यायन्ते प्राण इति. They all became prana rupa only. Therefore, they all are also called prana. They are gauna prana, but they are also referred as prana. ते तस्यैव सर्वे रूपम अभवन्. They all became of that rupa. Therefore, they are called as prana. तेन हवाव तत्कुलम आचक्षते यस्मिन् कुले भवति य एवं वेद. The one who knows this means the one who does this prana upasana, in whom all indriyas have merged, because that prana is continuously going. The one who does that, that upasaka's kulam will be known by that upasaka's name. Tena havava tat kulam achakshate. His kulam will be referred by that person. Yasmin kule bhavati ya evam veda. This upasaka, if he is in some particular kula, that kula will be referred by this person. Otherwise also we know any great person in the kula, everybody in this family, this great person was there. 3 generations back also, because after that nobody had done anything. Only that person is there for all credit. Ya evam veda. Ya u ha evam vida spardhate anushusyati. Anushushya ha eva antato mriyate. With such person, if anybody competes, evam vida ya u spardhate anushishyati. Anushusyati. They become dried. Means they leave their glow. It goes away. Eventually, anushushya eva antato mriyate. Then they will die. After getting dried, they will die. So what is meant here is prana upasana is great. This akhyayika, that Vagindriya said something, Chakshurindriya said something, main thing is this only, that akhyayika is for prana upasana, and this phalam is there. Iti adhyatmam. This is the adhyatma of prana upasana. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.